I'm in Vista del Norte at the moment. It's Friday, of course, it's Fixer Friday. I like to find properties that have, so much going on, but that you can add value. Now, the perfect house, the house that's all done, that's out there for a lot of folks. It's these gems that I love to come upon. This particular one is well priced in a good neighborhood. They've done a lot of work. They just haven't polished it the way you can. I'm going to show you around.
So right inside the front door, you see the living room in front of you. Off to the left, you pan into sort of a formal dining room. Come back around, you can see you've got an entryway there, so you're not walking right into the room. I don't like houses that do that. Down that hallway is the bedroom. Here we are, right in the master bedroom. Spin around, you've got a nice door outside. This goes into a bathroom area. It's fine. I would say look toward redoing it at some point to add value. Showers, very basic, very original. Second bedroom, looks out onto the front. Spin around here, you see you've got a nice closet back in the hall. Boom, there's a bathroom off to the right. That's about the same as the master bath. And then we're in the third bedroom, also looks out on the front. We step back out in the hall. Looking back towards the bathrooms, I'm standing in the dining room area, spinning around. Here's the kitchen at the opposite end of the house. Now, look there. You'll see in the background is where it goes to the laundry room area. I'm standing in what could be a family room area, could be extra seating for breakfast. Those doors lead out onto the backyard. In the kitchen area here, they've added value with these countertops and the backsplash. The kitchen sink overlooks a beautiful pool, spa area. That's all been redone. You don't have to do much there. Now, back inside, I'm catching a glimpse of a gas stove here, refrigerator, and I'm going to spin around to the laundry area. The thing about this laundry area is this leads off to the garages, which I'm going to show you the exterior of in a minute. But this whole area could be blown out and made into one great kitchen. 3-car garage, mature landscaping in the backyard. This is a really sweet house. I can show it to you at any time. It's vacant, as you could see. Think about it. You're out here by the pool. You've got a spa. You've got seating area under the pergola. And those deck chairs look right out at the mountain. That's it. Take a look at this house when you get a chance. It's worth every penny. Add some money. You're in a neighborhood that's only going to get better. And yeah, that's it. Another Fixer Friday. There you go.